The overall goal of this experimental setup is to measure the coefficient of restitution of colliding particles under vacuum conditions.
This method can contribute to solve engineering problems since the coefficient of restitution is present in any engineering operation, such as transportation, handling, storage of granular solids in the engineering industry. The main advantage of this method is that it can be applied to fine powders under vacuum conditions without accelerating the particle when it comes into the chamber. Sven Drücker, a grad student from my lab, will be demonstrating the procedure. He works in the framework of a Marie Sklodowska-Curie project called PARDEM.
For working with particles of any size, first remove the sleeve over the vacuum chamber and lift off the top cover. Then select the base plate with the desired wall material into the chamber. Next, turn the lower part of the vacuum chamber sideways and carefully slide the base plate into position. Next, using tweezers, place exactly one particle of a known size at the center of the base plate. Then, adjust the position of a high-speed video camera mounted to a tripod so that the base plate is in the lowest quarter of the visual field and focus is on the particle. Set the high-speed camera to record 10,000 frames per second at a resolution of 528 by 396 pixels. Then, take a brief video of the particle for reference purposes. Don't forget to remove the particle afterward.